Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting episode of our Offer Spotlight series. The offer in focus today is Lunare UP that has been introduced addressing the dynamic needs of Latin America, including vibrant markets like Brazil. It represents a significant leap forward in our wiring devices portfolio. Not only does it exhibit a distinctive unique design and robustness, but it also addresses the evolving safety and aesthetic needs of residential and small commercial buildings, such as offices, schools, and hotels. Our intent with Lunare UP is clear: to solidify our position in the premium market by collaborating closely with distributors, home builders, and interior designers. We aim to offer a modernized offer, thereby elevating the standard of living on workspaces. To deep dive more into this offer, I have Marilia from Offer Management with me here, who will provide you with all the amazing details on Lunare UP. Over to you, Marilia.
Thank you, Denis, and hello to our viewers. Today, we are delighted to introduce the Lunare UP range in Brazilian market. So, what's in it for our customers? Lunare UP brings a burst of new colors and features, seamlessly blending robust materials and modern finishing, perfectly aligning with the predominant color trends of this premium segment. It's the embodiment of timeless elegance, seamlessly blending classic and recognized design with modern functionality, reliability, and resilience, all tailored to complement your unique style and preferences. This range of switches and socket outlets isn't just about aesthetics, it's about practicality and versatility. From its perfect fit for 4x2 and 4x4 box standards, to its UV protection against fading and modular technology allowing customization, Lunare UP is truly adaptable to your needs. Safety is paramount to us. That's why Lunare UP is not only developed in accordance with international and local standards and safety rules, but it's also produced in Brazil according to international standard process and quality, backed by the Schneider electric brand's market-recognized assurance and a generous 5-year warranty. Whether it's for your home, office, school, or hospital, Lunare UP has been meticulously crafted to ensure the best possible experience for our consumers. Every detail has been carefully designed to bring you convenience, safety, and style. This is all from my side. Now, back to you, Denis.
Thank you, Marilia, for an amazing in-depth overview on Lunare UP offer. And of course, none of this would have been possible without the tireless efforts of our entire project team in South America. Thank you for your immense contribution. As we wrap up this episode, we've got more such exciting updates coming up from you. So until then, stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon.